Welcome to this e-learning course focusing on how to sell Nokia training services. Please take a moment and read the legal information on this screen. After you finish this course, you will have the knowledge to outline the benefits that training can bring to your customer's business and to your business, capture new sales opportunities, and describe the Nokia's learning solution offer. At the end of this course, you will need to answer a few questions to acknowledge your newly acquired skills. Chapter 1 describes the benefits of well-trained employees to your customer and your business. Let's start by highlighting the benefits that training can bring to your customers. Staff training is essential for your customer's business. Beyond the initial monetary cost, staff training pays back the investment in a variety of ways. Training helps your customer's business run better because trained employees are better equipped to handle their daily work. Training promotes job satisfaction, and the more engaged and involved they are in working for the company succeeds. Training can be a retention tool, instilling loyalty and commitment from good workers. In general, trained employees are more productive and feel like their contributions make a difference. Training adds flexibility and efficiency, allowing your customers to cross-train employees across more than one aspect of the business. Cross-training also fosters team spirit, as employees appreciate the challenges faced by coworkers. Training is a common ground for knowledge transfer among staff, and this definitely benefits your customer. Training is a powerful advantage your customers can use when promoting their company. Productivity gains are common through training programs. These can include increased competitiveness, improved morale and efficiency, better knowledge which contributes to a company's reputation, and better customer satisfaction. It can also lead to reductions in maintenance costs of equipment, inefficient use of time and materials, workplace accidents, staff turnover and absenteeism, and recruitment expenses. There is little doubt that learning and upgrading employees' skills makes business sense for your customers. It starts from day one and grows as your customers' employees grow. A training program ensures that your customers are qualified and invest in productive workers who will help their company succeed. In conclusion, training is critical to your customers' success and growth. Now let's see how selling training can help you as a business partner to improve your business relationship. Benefits for selling training to your customers can come in many forms. As you more fully understand your customer's business, you will identify learning gaps and needs. This can strengthen your relationship with your customers as you address their challenges. An example would be an opportunity to bundle product and solution sales along with the appropriate training packages. Another major benefit can be the positive impact this has on a customer satisfaction and loyalty to the partner. What can you expect as a business partner by selling Nokia training products and services? From competency planning to advanced training services, Nokia provides companies with the relevant skills and competencies to deploy and maintain reliable networks. We deliver thousands of course titles using a combination of delivery methods, from e-learning to virtual classrooms and instructor-led classes all over the world. Selling training will allow you to leverage a strong brand within your marketplace. Thanks to our portfolio of blended products and services, you will be able to add value to your existing client. Our business partners have the opportunity to sell training and stay focused on both winning and retaining clients. Nokia develops training methods and programs, creates materials, and delivers when, where, and how it is needed. We've developed an online presence and invested in marketing technologies for our partners and their customers. We have over 100 highly skilled technical trainers and a global presence with training locations worldwide. We have a long history of success in what we do. This allows you to focus on what you do best, building a client base and helping them achieve world-class sales performance results thus strengthening the relationship with your customer and maximizing your revenue. Selling training will definitely improve your results, whether it's through tangible sales results or by improving the customer experience, satisfaction, and loyalty. Chapter 2 focuses on the challenge of capturing new sales opportunities when you detect a training lead. There are 3 key sales scenarios for identifying a learning services opportunity. We will go through these and offer details for each. In the first scenario, the sales opportunity takes place at the pre-sales and business development stage. In the second scenario, it takes place when specific requests are received from customers themselves. And in the third scenario, the opportunity arises at the post-sales stage. The first scenario happens during the business development for products and solutions or as a pre-sales activity. Let's consider 3 cases. First, the customer is looking for a deeper understanding than what is offered in the marketing introduction of our products and solutions. Nokia offers a wide variety of product training courses. Second, replacement of legacy technology to new technology requires a different approach. In this case, the customer will likely need to acquire knowledge on this new technology and might require a dedicated program. We have swap programs addressing these types of specific needs. What is essential is to identify here the technical background that the company and participants have, as this will impact the knowledge transfer and the duration of training. Third, the customer has identified knowledge or skills gaps on their team. Let's assume as an example that many trouble tickets are open due to a lack of knowledge of our products. Properly trained employees will solve this problem. The second scenario takes place when specific requests are received from a customer. Specific requests are the most common scenario and should always be considered as an opportunity to offer a learning solution. You must consider the nature of the deal. If there's a network transformation, then we immediately know the transformation impacts the workforce. This is an excellent opportunity to look closely at which standard trainings will apply and what needs to be added in order to fully cover the customer needs. In these cases, it is important to keep in mind the total cost of ownership. Try to meet the minimum requirements with standard courses and present additions or customized offers as optional training. Please note that if a standard offer does not satisfy the customer's needs, a more flexible custom offer or even tailoring of an existing offer can be provided. As soon as this has been identified, contact Nokia EDU's regional training lead for supporting their proposal. In the post-sales phase, there's an opportunity to monetize from the training perspective as we continue to show growth with a large number of loyal customers using our current products. Existing customers may have gaps in knowledge. As an example, an expert in one product area may benefit from expanded knowledge in a related or complementary area. It is important to detect these gaps and offer training that can upskill your customers' employees. Any update or upgrade to an existing network can be an opportunity to sell additional training. We call these areas refresh and enhance training. We've developed a number of these offers appropriate to this stage, which can help refresh and enhance the existing program. At this stage, it is also very important to identify and fully understand your customer's budget before positioning any offer. A good approach is to find out if additional training budget exists and to identify the best solution to match their needs within this budget. Let's now move on to the next chapter of this training and discover Nokia's learning offers. Before we go any further, let's take a closer look at the sales process. This will help you determine and define the right training offer. By following the process outlined in this diagram, it will also guide you through the different steps to make a proposal and quote to your customer. The first step is to detect an opportunity. Although this usually comes in the sales or pre-sales stage, it can also come from post-sales as well. Once an opportunity for training has been identified, use the Customer Learning Store to define the best learning program or solution for your customer. The Customer Learning Store will be explained in more detail shortly. Also keep in mind the terms and conditions. As an example, classroom training normally takes place at a Nokia premise, but can also be arranged on customer sites under specific conditions. If the content in our standard courses does not align with the customer's needs, go to step 3 and contact the listed Nokia EDU learning specialists. You can find these contacts at the bottom of this slide. These learning specialists can work with you to quote the most applicable training solution. The proposal must now be submitted to the customer. Keep in mind that the proposal is likely to include a time slot for this training. Because the instructor in this time slot is blocked as a resource, we ask that you respect the expire date of the proposal. If the customer does not accept, Nokia EDU must be informed as soon as possible in order that we can reallocate this delivery resource. The last step is the confirmation and the execution of training. Following the training delivery, it is always a good idea to check with the customer to see if following up on further training is required. Consider this a new sales opportunity. When a training or learning solution is proposed, some questions arise. The first question is to identify the appropriate type of training. Is it a product and solution training? Is there a need for more generic technology training? Is certification for the participants a requirement, and can we offer individual learning resources? Next, you should consider what is the best delivery method. Is it self-centric training, such as web-based training that can be followed individually and at the customer's own pace, available, or is it better to propose instructor-led training where interaction with an instructor is key? Budget limitations are always a factor, and virtual instructor-led training can be a viable solution. Essential skills transfer covers the knowledge and skills required for the entire process of deploying a new technology. From network planning to rollout services and operations support, our extensive training portfolio offers everything to get the workforce skilled on Nokia products and solutions. Advanced Skills Transfer offers training solutions to support care services and managed solutions, enabling your customers to maximize the benefit of the investments on the new technology. And then Learning Support Services provides a variety of methods and tools to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of the skills transfer. These services play a major role to support managing competencies across departments, also help to optimize the training budget. In some cases, customers have a need for technology-level training as well. In the case a new technology is introduced in the network, like Wi-Fi or IP MPLS, overview training on this technology can be offered and will surely be beneficial to the participants before they start learning how to operate this equipment. Such technology training is commonly offered in conjunction with the products and solutions training. There may be times when the industry demands a certification process. Participants will take a deep dive into the technology and will ultimately prove that they have mastered the field of expertise by successfully passing a certification exam. Nokia offers several certification tracks. Some examples are SRC for Service Router Certification, ONC for Optical, and Virtuoso for Nuage. As a business partner, you will benefit from the support of the Nokia EDU Learning Specialist, and you have full access to the Nokia Learning Services portfolio. Please visit these links and bookmark at your convenience. To find standard training offers, the Customer Learning Store is available for your convenience. In the next slide, you will find out how to access the Customer Learning Store and see which solutions are proposed by Nokia. Now let's move on to the last chapter of this training and discover Nokia's Customer Learning Store. The Learning Store has been designed as a storefront for your customers' learning needs. It is simple, it is user-friendly, it's learner-centric, it is connected, cutting edge, and most of all, it is convenient. Customers can look through the different learning offers, search by technology, and search by certification. And very soon, you will also be able to search by job roles. You can search and download catalogs, see open classes being offered in the various regions, and view learning offers on technologies of customer interest. Once you have isolated areas of interest to your customer, you are able to request information to initiate the training order. This request will trigger a notification to the learning specialist in your region. In conclusion, the people who manage your customer's network are a crucial element of its performance. By optimizing their expertise alongside their technology, your customers gain better performing, skilled resources to manage their networks. That promotes a positive subscriber experience. Our training and learning services offers ensure your customers have staff with the required competence to secure the peak performance of evolving networks, skills to ensure proactive network maintenance and faster troubleshooting, and expertise to ensure superior network quality and availability at all times. These offers also help our customers better understand and address their training needs, make the most of their network investment and lower operating costs, and get a clear view of the return on investment from their training activities. Selling training from the Nokia Training and Learning Services portfolio is an opportunity for you to leverage a strong brand within your marketplace. Thanks to our portfolio of blended products and services, you will be able to add value to your existing clients and better identify new business opportunities. Use learning services to improve your relationship with your customers and positively impact customer satisfaction and loyalty. Concentrate your energy and efforts on winning new business and retaining your clients and maximize your profitability. Nokia will do the rest.